Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Today's video, I will be making a New Year's Day celebration arrangement. So, what you will need is some glass beads, a vase that actually is a glass, and I call them glitter pom-poms. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is put the glass beads in the vase, which actually is a glass this time. I tip it on the side, put them in sideways like that. It doesn't take long to do this. You just don't want to do it over top like that because it could break the glass. That's the way you put them in. Since the red ones are the taller one, you put that in back. Put that one on the side, that one on the other side, and it's done. I'll bring you around so you can see the view of it. That is what it looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.